Oh, here we go, right here.
You see him?
Yeah.
I'm the one put him up there. That's the bad thing.
Look, and I found
I'm the one that put him up there. When I reached out to her, she won't respond. There's something wrong. It's not just not going to the trouble to have a relationship. What you say, David?
What's going on, man? You doing all right?
Yeah, I reckon. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right. I ain't seen you in a while.
Yeah, you've been hiding out.
Yeah, man. They working me to death. I've been out of town. And they just,
Working what, are you?
yeah. I guess that's a good thing, right?
I guess so. Better than that alternative.
Right. Tell me about it. There you go. Right there. Appreciate you.
37 and 3.
Appreciate it. Should have been on that.
Remember where I put it.
Can't figure it out. Get out your way. Oh, here we go, right here.
You see him?
Yeah.
I'm the one put him up there. That's the bad thing.
Look, and I found
I'm the one that put him up there.
I was trying to find. Look at man, look. I need a job, man. You need to give me a job up here. I know all your stuff here. I appreciate it, man.
All right, Dad. Good to see you.
Hopefully I see you next week.
I know you guys are probably wondering, what the heck is going on? Where's he getting this stuff at? Well, this stuff I won actually on an auction called HOODIE.com. For those of y'all who don't know what that is, it's basically an online auction website. You get on there, you bid on stuff, you win, you go pick it up. Now, I only do local. Of course, you can do any state. I mean, some people offer shipping and stuff like that. I only do local because I get better deals. If an auction site don't offer shipping, that means pretty much anybody locally is the only ones bidding. So just, it weeds out the whole United States basically. All right, so anyway, this guy, I used to go in person and do auctions with him, but due to COVID, he had to basically put everything online. And his business took a hit, so I always make sure I get on there every week just to see what he got, just in case I want some stuff. And this week, you know, he had some stuff that I wanted, so I went to go pick it up. All right, as you can see right here, this is kind of the platform. It's called High Bid, and these are the ones that I won. I won a lot for 10, I won a lot for 15, and one for 6. Some nunchucks, some stuff like that. I just wanted to give you some context of what I was doing. I'm gonna get off here and show you what I got, but first I went to another spot and got some other things as well, so let's go there first.
Hello.
Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? How much did these have? $2.5. All right.
It's $2.
$2 piece.
On the sale, oh, okay, yeah.
I appreciate it. $2.
Everything $2.
Gotcha. I'm dropping everything.
Well, you didn't want them for real, did you?
Appreciate it. Update. Still looking at hats. at the cart. Crazy. They're $2 a piece. I think I should take advantage. What do you guys think? They go between $10 to $30, so at least I'm gonna make some money, right? I don't know how many
Are
I
you
got.
ready now?
I think so.
Oh man, who's the Birds fan?
Not me, I'm a Cowboys fan.
Oh man.
Definitely not. But
You missed the hat.
That's a nice little hat, though.
Cowboys.
nah, I got some.
Oh, you
got
got
too many,
some?
yeah. Plus with all this hair, man, I can't fit hats no more. All I can fit is toboggans and
And they don't make them that big.
I wear a size 8 without the hat.
How long you been growing your dreads?
I've been growing since 2005. That's when I started. It's time to let them go, so I think next year I'm gonna let them go.
You gonna grow them back?
Bruh.
Nah, man, it's
That's what
That's
you
a hat. What is it? Too much to deal with?
I mean, it ain't really. I mean, it's low, man. I don't never get it done. I mean, look at it. I mean, I just let it grow.
Thanks.
I appreciate it. Y'all take it easy. All right. All right, back at home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. But first, I wanted to talk to you about something. I'm a part-time reseller. I don't do this full-time. I got a full-time job that gets me all over the spectrum, basically. All right. So I work some weekends. I work first, second, and third shift. My schedule's all over the place. So sometimes I don't get everything. You know, I pass up stuff a lot. Electronics, sometimes I pass up. It might be some stuff that might be worth something I pass up. I don't get everything because I can only list so much. You know, I got enough stuff to list 3,000 listings, but I usually keep my listings between 300 and 600 because I know how much time I have to put into it. All right, I don't want to overstress myself. I got 3 boys. They all play sports. We travel. We do a lot of stuff. So I got to kind of minimize myself to be able to take care of this and take care of my family. All right. So a lot of people, they get into it and they go hard, and eBay is all they do. You know, you got a wife and kids. You got to take care of them people. You got family, all right? So you got to be smart with this, all right? This is my side hustle. I do it for a little extra money. I have fun with it. I love doing these videos. I mean, it's fun. So there's levels, all right? I know where to keep my eBay store at. I know where to keep these YouTube videos at. And you just got to figure out your way, all right? I know I'm talking too much, all right? So let's get over here and see what I got. In the auction spot, like I told you earlier, I picked up 3 different lots. Spent a total of $31, plus they got like a 10%, what they call that, fee, anyway, to add on to that. So it wasn't that much. I ended up getting out of there with $36.15 to be exact, all right? So, got these gloves. Now, these gloves was only, it's a lot of 2 gloves. It was only $6, and I take a chance with these sometimes because I'm not a baseball connoisseur. I don't know what the heck I'll be looking at, but if $6, it's like, hey, let's take a chance. This right here, they okay. Like I looked this one up, I put a comp on the screen. I think I seen one for like $24, $25, and this one right here, I couldn't really find anything. I found something, but no souls really. So I'll probably put those together, sell them as a lot. But hey, I paid $6 for the lot. This one alone goes for $24. That's a win. You understand what I'm saying? Second lot I got was some nunchucks, and I got these because these were interesting. These are actually vintage nunchucks. They have a brand on them called Dragon brand, made in Taiwan. I think that's what this says. I got these because there's not a lot of them listed on eBay, but all the ones on eBay are sold. I was surprised, man. And I'll put something on the side and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. I paid $15 for this lot. So I paid up a little bit for this lot, but it's 2 pair, and I think I seen this exact pair go for like $30-something, and these are a little shorter. I probably like these together, maybe, I don't know, but I know I can get more than what I paid for it, so hopefully that works out. Got a lot of flags. These are what I was telling y'all a little bit earlier, where I only seen 2 flags. I only seen this Garfield one, and I think one of these, and there was one in the back where I thought it was Snoopy, and it ended up being Snoopy, and it's that one back there. So that's what I was saying. Sometimes when you buy lots, you only see a couple things, and the suspense to me, I love. You know, like if I know it's something else and I don't see it, and I can get my money back just with what I see, but I know there's more in there, you gotta love that, all right? Yes, so anyway, what ended up being, like I said, I seen this Garfield one, and the rest of them is just cashola. You understand what I'm saying? I think I spent $10 on all these flags. The Snoopy one, the Charlie Brown one, those do good. I'll probably lot all the rest of them up together and get some money. Those of y'all who've been following me for a little while know I usually go to these bin stores. I haven't been in a while, but right next door to the bin store is a spot where they sell a little bit of everything. And I went in there today. They usually restock on Tuesdays, and that's the day that I went in there. And they had a bunch of hats. Look at your boy, man. Your boy got all kinds of hats. I ended up getting like 40 different hats. They was $2 a piece. They're all brand new with tags. I pretty much just picked out what I wanted. So I ended up spending like $80, man. I mean, I spent a little bit up, but I got 40 different hats. And I'm gonna tell you, I've already made that money back. I've sold 2 of these Arnold Palmer hats, the same exact ones. I sold 2 of these for $20 a piece. And I sold a couple more. Anyway, I done made like almost $100 on these hats so far. And it's great. And I think I've only sold like 4 hats and made almost 100. You can't beat that really, right? So I'm not gonna get into each individual hats, but I got a lot of Arnold Palmer hats, which right now, of course, off season, a lot of people loving that. And that's what I'm selling the most of really. Stuff like this. You got a Blazers hat. There's a Nike one, Nike Ohio hat, Bears hats. Just all kind of different hats. They had all kind of different things going on in there. So yeah, man, that's about it. Different video this time, wasn't a yours set video, but those of y'all who watch, I really appreciate it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.